With this Bute disc new system, we're getting more than 10,000 hectares. G'day, my name's Graeme Maxwell. My wife and I farm 5,100 hectares of canola, wheat and barley. We've been using a chain disc for about 8 years now, which is doing a really good job for us. We're finding that when we get down to the replacement of the disc, it is very time consuming. We've been working with Bute discs now for 12 months. They've come up with this great design, the BDX Half Disc. So replacing these old discs, the originals, is a big process when splitting these chains, whereas the new discs come in 2 halves, 4 bolts, and as you can see they interlock together. So all we're using now is a right angle rattle gun, so you can get in between the discs with no drama, and it's only a matter of tightening the bolts up. We've got some rocky country which we've found these discs are handling that rocky country no worries at all. We've actually found there's no splitting, no chipping. I think it's just because of the quality of the product in these discs is second to none. What we love about this disc is that it fits a lot of makes and models. It fits a lot of different hubs. I have no hesitation in recommending these BDX Half Discs to anyone with a disc chain, because they're just so easy to work with, quick and easy, and we find them very well made. We love working with Bute discs. Kent Patterson has been wonderful. He's been very informative and helped us out greatly.